What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So this is another question I got today. It's from IG. Can't buyer sue developer or ask them to pay loan interest until property complete? Okay, for context, this buyer, this audience was asking because I posted a abandoned property actually on my Instagram, picture of abandoned property. So this is why the question came about. So the answer here is yes, the buyers can sue. If you Google, or there's always a lot of like the buyers, right? They group together and then they together sue the developer. Yes, you can sue. Next one is ask them to pay loan interest until property complete. This one less likely lah, because if the project is abandoned by the developer, usually it's because of cash flow problem. Usually lah, 99.99% is cash flow problem. Okay, so if it's cash flow already tight, do you think the developer actually bother about paying the bank loan interest? Even if they are capable, let's just say to pay the bank loan interest, they also won't do so because it's not stated in the S&P. The S&P is between you and the developer, not the bank has no picture in it. All right. Okay, so they don't have to pay. Why should they? So I hope that answers the question lah. Okay, I've actually did a video previously before on how to check out for developers and what it means by abandoned properties and where you can check. Actually, you can check KPKT, the list of blacklisted developers. Okay, so before you buy any under construction property, please check the list and see whether they are on the list or not. Okay, I hope that helps. This is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you again in the next video. Or before I go, I appreciate it if you actually ask your questions in the comment section down below so that I can turn it into a video like this so that everybody can learn. Of course, not all questions I can actually answer. If you find that your question you want to be more specific, is something more specific, perhaps you can email me lah. Okay, and don't worry, if you email me, means it's anonymous. I'll read out the email, but you will be anonymous. Okay, I just hope that more people can actually ask a question down there so that we can actually all together learn simple questions, anything you want to ask, just about real estate or banking or even personal finance. I'll be more than happy to actually answer if I know about the subject. Okay, bye bye.